Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Naturescenic. Today is a very special day, World Earth Day 2025, and this year's powerful theme is Our Power, Our Planet. Let's take a moment to reflect on what this means and how we can all play a role in protecting our beautiful Earth. What is Earth Day? Earth Day is celebrated every year on April 22nd across the globe. It began in 1970 and has grown into a worldwide movement to raise awareness and take action on environmental issues. Theme: Our Power, Our Planet. This year's theme, Our Power, Our Planet, reminds us that we all have the power to make a difference. From individuals to communities and nations, our collective efforts can restore and protect the Earth. Simple actions you can take today. Plant a tree. Trees absorb CO2, provide oxygen, and support biodiversity. Say no to plastic. Carry reusable bags, bottles, and containers. Save water and electricity. Turn off taps and switch off lights when not in use. Switch to renewable energy, if possible. Solar panels or wind energy can reduce carbon footprint. Use public transport or carpool. Less traffic, less pollution. Eat local and sustainable foods. Support local farmers and reduce transport emissions. Educate others. Share eco-friendly habits with friends and family. Earth Day activities around the world. On this day, people join cleanup drives, plant saplings, organize awareness walks, and even host eco-workshops. Schools and communities also come together to celebrate nature. Remember, every small step counts. Whether you are 8 or 80, your actions matter. This Earth is our only home, and it's up to us to protect it. Be the change. Use your power to protect our planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Naturescenic for more eco-friendly tips and travel videos that celebrate the beauty of our Earth. Happy Earth Day 2025. Let's make every day Earth's Day.